Laurie!
I'll be arrested for this.
Isaac!
Holy God, that's class! That's technical! Holy God, I'm taking it off your chest!
Nice home over to do there, so it is. Go ahead, Walter, give us a wave.
Thank you very much. Have a lovely evening.
Want to let that pass first, or I will get them up, yeah.
Not here with me. Oh, snowflakes are falling. That's when the blue with your grace, my sun white and had a blue smile. Oh, let's go, let's go. I have a blue smile.
Riley!
No! I said, are you full of the Christmas spirit? Ladies, but before you get entertained, we have to do some entertaining. I want you all to sing Santa's favourite song. Yes? Are you ready, everyone? After 3, we're going to sing Jingle Bells.
Hold on, Rosie. Huh?
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Jingle bells. Can't hear you. Wonderful. Oh, what fun. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse. Hooray! Give yourselves a round of applause. Now, Santa, next on. Nearly ready. That's wonderful. Yes. Nearly ready. Does everyone know what they want for Christmas? Oh, good. Shout out after 3 what you would like for Santa to bring you. Everyone shout. Are you ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, did you hear? Oh, yes, and LOL doll, PS4. What else did you hear? iPhone 6. Yes. Oh, a doll. Action Man. Did you get that?
A giraffe.
Oh, a giraffe? Who wants a giraffe? Lovely. 1, 2, 3. Dab.
Oh, the other.
Look at that.
And another one.
A Shankill dab. You can't beat it, can you? A good introduce you to the Belfast Guitar Orchestra.
He's not being on the edge.
Let me hear you say yeah. Let me hear you say ooh yeah. Let me hear you say ooh yeah. Oh, you're all crazy, aren't you? I do like you though, I do like you. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Take it away, boys. Let's see some dancing out there. Come on, keep yourselves warm. That's it. Let your hair down. Woohoo! lot, are you? Everyone, this is a collection of musicians here. We've got the beat and drum down here, which you can join. Oh yes, they meet every week down in Brown Square. Yes. Yes. If you'd like to learn how to do a bit of drumming, you can pop down to Brown Square and the carnival people will teach you, no matter what age you are, young or old. You're never too old to beat a drum. Now, I know this one, my favourite. The snow blows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Some distance makes everything seem small, and the fears the ones control me can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do to test the limits and break through. No right, no wrong, no rules for me. I'm free. Let it go. My soul is spiraling in frozen fractals all around, and one thought crystallizes like an icy blast. I'm never going back, the past is in the past. Let it go, and I'll rise like a break of dawn. Let it go. closer together. Closer. Jackie, everyone. Look at that, Jackie. Do you know anyone out there?
One or two McGARRY sense.
Oh, do you want to give them a wave? Yeah, that's it. That's it. Look up, you got anyone special out there? There's loads from the Spectrum Centre out there today. Big up the Spectrum Centre, come on! Oh, I said big up the Spectrum Centre! Yes, indeed. And next over here, look at this. How are you, my love? Look, he's got a special jumper on and everything. Aww. What's your name?
Stephen.
Stephen! Everyone, big round of applause for Stephen! Stephen, where are you from?
From Belfast.
Not from Belfast. And what did you do for us specially this year?
You made us happy.
He made it happen, everyone. This lot. So a big thank you to all of the people here. And this man behind the camera. Now, one boy this year.
Very good.
I'm not so sure. He might be on the naughty but nice list, eh, Santa? Yes, and this is David from the Beach Carnival. So, would anyone like to say a few words? Would you? Jackie, here we go.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Jackie Redpath, and I just wanted to say that it's a brilliant night tonight. This started 5 years ago with a tree when Greater Shankill Act brought back the tree, the Christmas tree to the Shankill. Thank you, Stephen, for that. Last year, David Boyd and all his colleagues in Beat Carnival brought it back as a lantern parade from the bottom of the Shankill up, and this year another lantern parade came down the road from Woodvale. And also this year, the Greater Shankill Partnership Spectrum Centre and Nicola Werner here, who for 3 months has thought about nothing else but Christmas lights going on these trees from the bottom of the road to the top of the road, have brought the trees back. Tomorrow in Woodvale Park at 10:30, the Elf Trail opens, and then there's a week of festivities in the Spectrum Centre and in different parts of the Shankill. If you want to find out what's on, go to Facebook to Greater Shankill Festival, Greater Shankill Winter Festival, and you'll find out what's on. It's part of that festival that's run from the end of October to the end of January. And this is something now that is going to be a fixture in the story of the Shankill every year and in the life of Belfast. So thank you. Happy Christmas to everybody in the Shankill, to all our neighbours and to the whole of Belfast. Thank you.
Road welcome. Most of you will know him as Da, but tonight we welcome on stage Tim McGARRY. Thank you. Good evening, everybody. How are we all doing? All good form? Oh, it is fucking freezing. Can anybody know where I could get an RHI boiler? Ladies and gentlemen, it's an absolute pleasure for me to be here. I want you to know that Stephen Pollock tried to get Harry and Meghan to come. And when he couldn't get them, he thought, I'll tell you what, I'll get a Sinn Féin MLA. That's just as good. Probably the first Sinn Féin MLA to be here on the Shankill. Can I say what a wonderful welcome I've had from absolutely everybody. It's been absolutely brilliant. There was one person, however, I have to complain about. I was insulted. A young child, a mother looked at her 7-year-old girl and said, she pointed to me and said, do you know who he is? And she said, is it Santa's Da? Well, they're half right. Now, some people have already asked, where's Uncle Andy? He's in the knee breakers. He can't make it. He's waiting for a phone call from Prince Harry to see if he'll be the best man at a wedding. He's going to organise a stag do and have a stag do in the Shankill and do the tour of the north. I love it. Do you know what I love about this country? I'll tell you one thing. Meghan Markle, right? Meghan Markle is marrying Harry. When that was announced, all around the world, millions of people Googled Meghan Markle. They Googled, who is Meghan Markle? Apart from Northern Ireland, where we all Googled, what religion is Meghan Markle? She won't It's a real joy. Do you know what I'm delighted to be here, ladies and gentlemen, because I know you've had certain superstars here. You've had Mr. Carl Frampton, ladies and gentlemen. You've had the world champion boxer Carl Frampton. You've had Michael O'Neill, who nearly brought Northern Ireland to the World Cup. And you've had David Healy, who apparently manages some football team. I don't really know, to be honest with you. Never really heard of them, to be fair. Listen, there's thousands of people here tonight. If we all said Merry Christmas, I reckon everybody across Belfast, East, South, North Wales, and in the Falls could hear you. If we say 1, 2, 3, Merry Christmas, 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much. Now, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the countdown to get the Christmas tree lights on?